You can take one material from MM60 report, enter ROH for raw material and execute it. Take suppose 241 as a material, slash in MM02. Enter 241 is the material. Quality management view is not there. So let me activate in quality management view in this 241, enter. Quality management view, continue, plant is 1000, and in the inspection setup, let me activate inspection type 89, which is for the manual. So I'm selecting 89, activate it, and in the details, here we can see automatic assignment is there. So by default, it is checked so that the plan should be automatically linked to the inspection lot. If created, the MICs and the plan, all the master data is properly created, then those things should be automatically assigned to the inspection lot. If I uncheck this, let's uncheck it, and then if I create a lot for it, let me save it. First, I need to create an inspection plan for this. So QP01, enter. 241 is the material and plant is 1000. Enter. Here we are specifying the usage. 89, the usage is 3, and status I'm keeping it as 4, which is for released. Remaining thing here in the lower half, at present you can't find the key date and all because at present I'm just creating it. In the operation, I'm entering the control key as QM01 inspection as a description, and here I can assign one MIC. So let's take test 1, which is already there in the system. Press enter, and I can specify some limits, suppose 5 to 9. Okay, input processing is maintained for it. Let me select this. Press enter key, and sampling procedure I can decide. Let's take quick sample sizes 2. Enter. Let me show you the control indicators which are maintained for this MIC, which is test 1, upper lower limit, sampling procedure, single result recording, required characteristics. Remaining controls, okay, input processing is selected. Okay, save it. So now if I create a manual inspection lot for the same, QA01, 89 lot I'm creating, and the quantity I'm entering, suppose 25. Here you can see it is picking up the usage as 3 automatically, because for the inspection type 89, the usage is 3, and key date it is taking as this, but it is not automatically assigned to my lot. Let me save it or open another session for QA32 report. Enter my material filter for this. It was 241. Enter, and then click on execute. So this is the lot which is at present in the created state. If I select this and click on inspection lot, here in the inspection specification, I have created my plan with the usage 3, and today only I have created with the date 20. Let me show you my plan also for the same. QP03, we can go to the change mode of it. Okay. My material is 241 and the plant is 1000. Enter. We have this plan where the header data, I have maintained the usage as 3 and it is in release state. And we have assigned the MICs also in this. Okay. In the header, we have this information of key date also, which is valid from date. It is taking as 2011. Okay. But still it is not assigned automatically, because in the material master of the same inspection type 89. Let me show you my material also. /n MM02, enter. This is the material quality management view 1000 plant, and in this we have unchecked this. That's why it was not automatically assigned. Even if the plan exists, it will not be automatically assigned. We have to manually assign the plan to the inspection lot. So let's assign the plan if we manually assign it. If I click on task list, now you can see I haven't changed any data, just clicked on task list and the plan has been assigned to it. Okay, this is that same plan which we have created, and if you go to the details, we have assigned the test MIC. Let's go back. Okay, let's go back. In the sample tab, again, I need to click on sample button so that the sample size should be calculated, and then click on save. A lot, and if I refresh it now, it is in release date, and I will be able to do the result recording for the same. Enter some values in this. Suppose I enter say 5, and here I am entering say 9, enter, and then click on save. So this time I'm changing my material master data for the inspection type 89 default settings. This time I'm checking this checkbox automatic assignment. Select this, continue, and then we can save it. We will again create a manual inspection log for the same, okay? And it should be automatically assigned the inspection plan, okay? So material is this, plant is this, 89 lot I'm creating, and let me enter some quantities. Suppose I'm entering 70. This time I haven't done any changes, but the plan was linked automatically because we have checked the automatic assignment option in the default settings. So even the sample size has been calculated. Click on save. I try to do the result recording for the same lot, enter, I am able to do the result recording. Whether you want the lot should have the inspection plan automatically assigned or you want to manually assign, those things can be controlled with the default settings also. If I show you the J32 report, let me refresh it. Both the lots has been inspected and we can do the usage decision for the same. Is you select this and go for the inspection lot. System status is this. Then click on this file. It will tell you the details. Characteristics must be created. Okay. The inspection plan is required, and at present it is in created state. So 01 inspection type, which means that the stock posting is required. Characteristics are not linked. It is saying maybe the inspection plan doesn't have the. Since you have created your inspection plan later on, but the inspection lot was already created, this lot maybe yesterday I created the lot, then I realized that my master data is not correct and I haven't created my inspection plan. So the inspection plan creation date will be today's date and my lot creation date is yesterday's date, suppose. Key date is coming, okay. This key date, it will check what is the inspection plan valid from date. If I go for the inspection plan for the same material, UP02, enter, here this key date comes. Press enter key and you go to the header part. Two things are there. One is the usage. That should be the same which is there in the inspection lot. Here this usage 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Key date is coming in the lower half part. This date. Okay, valid from date. So this date and that usage should match. If both are not matching, then the plan will not get linked. Date is different here. And in the lot, the date is different. Copy this date, paste that date also there. So if I make it say 21 now and click on task list, okay, it is usage. Suppose if I say 3, enter. Now it is linked. because it checks the key date and the usage. Both should be correct. And then you click on this. So this is a very common error which normally face it. The lot is in created state, and you should know how to change it to the release state because you cannot proceed further. In the change mode, you will check whether the inspection plan is linked or not. If this part is blank, it means the plan is not linked. Okay. And if it is linked, then you can see the details of the inspection plan here, that what is the group and what is the group counter. Okay. If it is not coming, it means either your usage is not correct or your key date is not matching.